Why choose Memmingen and not other larger cities to visit the Christmas market? The area is less touristy, so you can have a more local experience compared to the big German cities. Memmingen is one of the cities with the best preserved medieval architecture in Bavaria. The first German Christmas markets date back to the late 1300s, with Dresden's Striezelmarkt, 1434, being one of the oldest. Mammingen's surrounding quarters providing a lot of interesting buildings to see and visit. Many of its beautiful streets were pedestrian, thus facilitating the walking around. Especially, the marketplace had a very relaxed atmosphere with live music. Great place to just walk around and enjoy the history. Handmade gifts on Memmingen Christmas Market. You'll find hand-carved nutcrackers, glass ornaments, candles, and wooden toys instead of mass-produced items. Here you can find popular foods include bratwurst, roasted chestnuts, waffles, candied almonds, Gibranti mandel, and potato pancakes, Reibkuchen. The city has an almost completely preserved old town that shows its wealth and importance in medieval times, as well as many nice dining options. Memmingen is beautiful. The people are super friendly, and the Christmas market delightful. Feels like you're in a fairy tale. The architecture is amazing and is set off well by the lights. The Christmas market has a good selection of food, drink, and gifts. It's a safe family environment and a lovely place to meet friends and hang out. I definitely go again and really felt lucky to have visited that particular small but well throughout market. The stalls are traditionally made of wood and decorated with lights, garlands, and pine branches. We discovered a variety of Christmas items, from handmade jewelry and decorations to traditional crafts. We came to Memmingen on a short family history tour at the end of November. The old town was a little quiet, but everyone we met was friendly and patient with my lack of decent German language skills. Every winter, Germany's Christmas markets are filled with warm smells and tempting aromas. Among the wooden huts, people stop to enjoy freshly browned bratwurst, served in hot buns. Next to them, large frying pans fry Schupfnudeln and Reibkuchen, traditional dishes that remind us of authentic German cuisine. At every corner, sweets attract the eye: caramelized almonds, gingerbread, and fluffy waffles sprinkled with powdered sugar. With a glass of hot glühwein in hand, visitors enjoy the magical atmosphere, where tasty food and colorful lights transform winter into a feast for the senses. The Memmingen Christkindlesmarkt, an annual highlight in the picturesque city of Memmingen, traditionally opens its doors from the last week of November until just before Christmas. This time of year, when the days grow shorter and the nights longer, sets the perfect scene for the festive atmosphere that the market brings. In Memmingen, the combination of historic ambience, festive decorations, heartfelt hospitality, and delicious treats makes this market an unforgettable experience and a must-visit for every Christmas market enthusiast.
सगळं पैसे आहेत.
Glühwein culture. The most popular drink is Glühwein, mulled wine, often served in city-specific collectible mugs that people love to keep as souvenirs. The mugs and plates often require a deposit, fand, that you get back when you return them.